Hi, I'm Peter Walker, the CEO of Koffeeone. www.koffeeone.com.au. In today's video clip, I'm going to show you and demonstrate how easy it is to make a hot chocolate on the Carimali Armonia coffee machine. Take your cup or your glass, you place it here on the drip tray underneath the pouring spout, and you select Choco. One chocolate is very, very easy, one touch of a button. Thank you for joining us for the demonstration on how to make a hot chocolate on the Carimali Armonia coffee machine. This is Peter Walker for Koffeeone, importers of quality, saying bye till next time.